Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really exciting for you. We're going to dive into the world of innovation and convenience with 10 cool gadgets and tools that are guaranteed to make your life easier. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner, or just someone who loves smart solutions, you're going to love what we have in store for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right in.
Number 1. The Angle Stop Wrench Kit is a versatile plumbing tool designed to simplify the installation and replacement of compression angle stops, especially on copper pipes and toilet angle stops. Constructed from high-quality and durable materials, this wrench ensures longevity and reduces wear and maintenance costs. Its automatic adapting feature allows it to work with multi-size nuts, making it easy to remove and replace compression rings. One of the key features of the Angle Stop Wrench Kit is its convenient installation and replacement capabilities. With superior leverage, it simplifies the task of installing and removing valves, thereby reducing work time and complexity. The wrench's surface is finished with lacquer, providing enhanced corrosion resistance and extending its service life. Additionally, its ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip to prevent slipping during use. This plumbing wrench tool offers a comprehensive solution for various applications. It excels in confined spaces, surpassing the limitations of conventional wrenches and greatly improving ease of use and efficiency for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike.
Number 2. The Powertech UT12 multipurpose tool stand is an essential addition to any workshop, offering a sturdy and dependable work surface for a variety of smaller benchtop machines and power tools. With its 500-pound load capacity, it can accommodate a wide assortment of tools and equipment, including benchtop planers, bandsaws, belt sanders, and drill presses. Key features of the Powertech UT12 include its adjustable foot pad, which ensures stability on uneven surfaces, and its durable gauge metal base with a powder coat finish for long-term durability. The stand also comes equipped with rubber feet, which not only reduce equipment vibration but also provide an anti-slip, skid-free surface that protects your floor from scuffs and scrapes. The stand's dimensions include a 32-inch working height, an 18-inch by 27-inch storage shelf, and a 14-inch by 25-inch expandable MDF split top with a ruled surface that expands to 20-inch by 25-inch. It offers ample space for your tools and accessories while maintaining a compact footprint in your workshop. It's important to note that the UT1002 Universal Tool Stand is not designed to be used with casters, as this can destabilize the stand. Adding casters will void the warranty on this product.
Number 3. These multipurpose wire dishwashing rags are a game changer when it comes to kitchen cleaning. Designed to effectively scrub and clean dishes, sinks, and more, these rags are ideal for both wet and dry use. Crafted using advanced diamond grid weaving technology, these wire dishwashing rags ensure durability and safety for both your pots and hands. They can be easily rinsed with water, making cleanup a breeze. Featuring a space-saving design with a fish-scale grid fabric surface, these wire rags instantly absorb moisture, making cleaning effortless. After use, simply hang them on the wall to save space in your kitchen and allow for easy drainage. Built to last and reusable multiple times, these multipurpose wire dishwashing rags are a cost-effective choice for your kitchen. Their efficient performance will meet all your kitchen needs, making them an essential tool for any home cook. The small hole design of these wire dishwashing rags generates rich foam, allowing for efficient cleaning of tableware, pots, and more. Additionally, they can be used directly to clean grills, stoves, and other surfaces, making them a versatile cleaning solution for your home. Number 4. The Silicon Compact Caulking Gun is a game changer when it comes to caulking projects. With its patented design and lightweight ABS frame, this caulking gun is the most compact on the market, measuring just 4 inches in length. This compact size allows you to reach even tighter spaces by cutting off excess tubing, eliminating the need for oversized and heavy caulk guns that limit your reach. One of the key features of the Silicon is its easy storage capability. Because of its compact size, it can be conveniently kept in any toolbox or drawer, and it weighs just 10.4 ounces, making it lightweight and portable. The no-drip design of the Silicon is another standout feature. When you release the trigger, the flow of caulk stops immediately, preventing the messy run-on that traditional caulk guns often leave behind. In terms of efficiency, the Silicon delivers powerful dispensing with a 12-to-1 thrust ratio, allowing it to deliver a thick bead of caulk while still offering precise application thanks to its sensitive trigger. Plus, it works with all standard 10-ounce tubes, 310 milliliters, making it suitable for use with latex, acrylic, silicone caulks, and more. Overall, the Silicon Compact Caulking Gun is a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional contractor looking for a compact, efficient, and mess-free solution for their caulking projects. Number 5. The MultiAngle Measuring Ruler is a high-quality and professional measuring tool designed to elevate accuracy and precision in woodworking and engineering tasks. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and steel materials, this ruler is resistant to bending and ensures long-term durability. Its lightweight and compact design make it portable and easy to carry, enhancing convenience for users on the go. Featuring multiple angle measuring capabilities including 90-degree and 45-degree stalls, this ruler offers a wide range of angles to choose from, enabling accurate measurements of various objects. With its upgraded design, it enhances accuracy and efficiency in your projects. The universal combination angle of this ruler redefines precision, elevating your measuring and drawing game. Unlike other rulers, it includes a hidden anti-drop device, preventing accidental slips and falls during work, thus ensuring a secure and stable measuring experience. With its wide application range, the MultiAngle measuring ruler is suitable for precise marking, measuring, scribing, and drawing tasks in schools, offices, home workshops, architectural projects, woodworking, and engineering endeavors. It serves as a practical and versatile tool, enabling users to measure data accurately and conveniently anytime, anywhere. Number 6. The Toolan Impact Torx Bit Set is a comprehensive collection of high-quality tamper-proof star bits designed to withstand heavy-duty use in various applications. This set includes 27 pieces in total, featuring both 1-inch and 2-inch long impact bits, covering sizes TT7 to TT40. Crafted from durable S2 alloy steel, these bits are built to last and offer a 10 times longer life expectancy compared to standard bits. The torsion zone design absorbs torque peaks, preventing breakage even under high-pressure conditions. Each bit is CNC machined to ensure precise fit and durability. The set also includes a 3-inch magnetic impact bit holder, allowing for easy and secure screw driving in tight spaces. The strengthened magnetic feature ensures screws are picked up effortlessly and maintains its magnetism even after multiple uses. With a manganese phosphate surface coating, these bits are protected against rust and corrosion, enhancing their longevity and performance. They are suitable for a wide range of applications including home repairs, automotive work, woodworking, and other screw driving tasks. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, the Toolan Impact Torx Bit Set provides the reliability and versatility needed to tackle various screw driving challenges with ease and confidence. Number 7. The 25 1/8 and 25 3/16 Cleco Fasteners Kit, along with Cleco pliers and a mesh carry bag, revolutionizes fabrication work with its efficiency and versatility. Cleco fasteners, sometimes spelled Cleco or referred to as skin pins, are essential tools that streamline fabrication tasks and significantly reduce labor time. This kit includes 25 Cleco fasteners, each in 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch sizes, providing a range of options to accommodate various materials and thicknesses. The Cleco pliers are designed to effortlessly clamp and release the fasteners, ensuring quick and precise positioning during assembly. Fabrication work becomes easier than ever with the aid of Cleco fasteners. These handy tools securely hold materials together, allowing for precise alignment and easy manipulation during welding, riveting, or other fabrication processes. The Cleco fasteners eliminate the need for time-consuming clamping methods and ensure consistent results with every use. The mesh carry bag provides convenient storage and organization for the Cleco fasteners and pliers, allowing users to transport the kit easily to different work locations. Number 8. The multifunctional cleaning shovel is a versatile tool designed to simplify various cleaning tasks in your garden and beyond. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this shovel offers superior strength and durability, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks such as digging, chopping, and prying. With its innovative design, this cleaning shovel serves multiple purposes. Not only can it be used as a traditional shovel, but it also functions as a scraper or squeegee. It effectively cleans moss, garbage, hair, water, oil, snow, and more, quickly restoring the normal operation of pathways and surfaces. The flat shovel head design ensures ease of use and maintenance. Stainless steel construction makes it easy to clean and maintain, requiring minimal effort to keep it in optimal condition. Plus, its small size and lightweight construction make it easy to store and carry, allowing you to tackle cleaning tasks anywhere, anytime. This weed scraper tool is equipped with an adjustable length and detachable head, allowing for independent use and convenient storage. It fits any handle, and adjusting and securing it is as simple as turning a screw. Whether you're clearing weeds in the garden or cleaning dirt, concrete, tile, marble, and more in various settings such as the yard, kitchen, living room, bathroom, garage, or car, this multifunctional cleaning shovel is up to the task. Number 9. The stainless steel finger guard is a crucial tool for ensuring safety while slicing, dicing, chopping, and cutting food items in the kitchen. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this finger guard is durable, adjustable, and ergonomically designed to provide maximum protection for your fingers during food preparation. Its open-loop design makes it suitable for both left and right-handed users, offering a versatile fit for most finger sizes. The ring can be easily shaped to accommodate various finger sizes, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for all users. This finger guard is not only durable but also easy to clean, requiring only water or a damp cloth for hassle-free maintenance. Its versatility and effectiveness make it suitable for use in kitchens, restaurants, and other food preparation settings. As a perfect kitchen gift, the stainless steel finger guard offers long-term durability and safety, making it an ideal choice for kitchen enthusiasts. Whether you're slicing vegetables or using kitchen tools, this finger guard provides an efficient and secure way to protect your fingers, making it a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Number 10. The Security AllInOne is a powerful self-defense tool designed to provide reliable protection in emergency situations. Please note that this product is not intended to be used as a blunt force striking weapon. With 80 million volts of stop power and a loud, intimidating sound, this device offers effective protection when you need it most. Its LED flashlight feature includes 3 lighting modes: strong light, weak light, and flash, providing illumination and enhancing visibility in low light conditions. This makes it ideal for activities such as walking your dog at night, offering both light and self-defense capabilities. Constructed from aerospace-reinforced alloy materials, this product is both durable and lightweight. It features manual adjustability, allowing for a length range between 16.5 inches and 18.9 inches, providing flexibility and ease of use for users of varying preferences and needs.